Hey everyone, today we've got something really special for you. We're going to make a delicious Chicago-style Italian beef sandwich in your slow cooker. Okay, we're just going to make the beef in the slow cooker, not the whole sandwich. Anyways, these sandwiches are a popular staple in Chicago, but thanks to the TV show The Bear, this sandwich has been brought into the spotlight of foodies all around the world. Take a screenshot for the exact details on the ingredients here, but you'll need the following: a cut of beef round used for roasts, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, beef broth, olive oil, long rolls or baguettes, and giardiniera and or hot sweet peppers for toppings. To start, coat a pan with the olive oil and then brown the meat on all sides. The browning adds another layer of flavor to the meat. Details on the screen and text below. Take out the meat and place into the slow cooker. Pour half of the beef broth into the slow cooker and the rest into the pan, and let that simmer for a minute or two. Using a spoon or a spatula, scrape off any burnt bits off the pan. Carefully pour that into the slow cooker on top of the meat. Pour in the Italian seasonings and garlic powder on top of the meat and turn the meat around a couple times, mixing in all the seasonings with the broth. Cover the slow cooker and cook on low for about 8 hours. The longer the better for the meat to tenderize. After that, remove the lid from the slow cooker and with 2 forks, shred the meat inside the slow cooker. But folks, please don't use the technique shown here. Put the camera down and properly shred the meat. Mix the shredded meat in with the liquid and put the cover back on and let that cook for about another 30 minutes or so to let the juices soak into the shredded meat. Finally, assemble your Chicago-style Italian beef by piling the shredded flavorful beef onto the long rolls. And if you want, ladle on generous amounts of the broth from the slow cooker. And then top that off with the giardiniera and or peppers for an amazing and tasty sandwich. This sandwich is one of my favorites, and it's always a hit with the family. If you've had it before and end up making this, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing. And click on the bell to be notified of the new videos I post. I'm all about sharing the easiest ways to make some great dishes, as well as talking about food hacks and food trends. So it'd be awesome to have you all along. Thanks for watching, and see you all again soon.